Hi, my name is Dimitri, and in this video I'll show you how you can send time from Clockify to QuickBooks. The QuickBooks integration is a paid feature, which you can enable by upgrading your workspace to the Standard, Pro, or Enterprise plans. The integration supports QuickBooks Online, which is from the Essentials to the Advanced plan. It doesn't work with QuickBooks Desktop or the QuickBooks Online Simple Start plan. And finally, if you have the Payroll feature enabled in QuickBooks, the Clockify integration won't work due to the system's capabilities. Let's get started. Besides having a Clockify account, you also need to make sure that all members that will be sending their time from Clockify to QuickBooks have the same name in both apps. If you need more details on how to invite members to Clockify and manage their profiles, check out our other tutorial for managing teams. But for now, let's say that your whole team and their names are set correctly, and we're ready to connect Clockify and QuickBooks. Let's go to the Workspace settings, click on the Integrations tab, expand QuickBooks, and then click the Connect to QuickBooks button. Make sure you previously logged into QuickBooks, so that now you can just quickly authorize access. Now that you're connected, the next thing to do is to sync users and projects. First, the sync will check all users in Clockify who have the same name as they do in QuickBooks. If there's a user in Clockify that's missing in QuickBooks, Clockify will automatically create them for QuickBooks. Next, Clockify checks projects and customers you have in QuickBooks. Customers and projects in QuickBooks are treated as projects in Clockify. If there's a project or a customer in QuickBooks that doesn't exist in Clockify, Clockify will pull and create them automatically. But if you have a project in Clockify that doesn't exist in QuickBooks, either as a project or a customer, you'll need to create them manually in QuickBooks, using the same name that they have in Clockify, and then run the sync again. Once everything's synced, you and your team can track time you spend on projects using a timer like this, or by entering hours manually in a timesheet. Also, make sure to set hourly rates and mark time as billable, if you wish to send over the billing data to QuickBooks as well. All track time is available in the detailed report. Here is where you can send track time over to QuickBooks. Click the QuickBooks button, and you'll see all the time entries that haven't been sent yet. Before you send the data, review if everything is in the right order and make edits if necessary. You can also limit what you wish to send by applying filters here. For example, if you only wish to send approved time, open the status filter, choose Approved, and then click Filter. When you're ready, click Send to QuickBooks, and everything you see will be sent over to QuickBooks. If you wish to see what's already been sent, you can click on the drop-down right here and select Show Sent Entries. Clockify will mark the entries as sent, so you don't accidentally send the same time entries again. Now let's go to QuickBooks, and you'll see all the time has been sent here. You can only send an entry once. If you make changes to sent entries, the changes will not affect the time in QuickBooks. In case there was a mistake, you can update the time manually in QuickBooks. To make sure data in Clockify and QuickBooks is consistent, it's best to log and approve timesheets so that no one can make subsequent changes. To learn more about how to approve or log timesheets, make sure to visit our timesheet and approval tutorials. As you add new users or projects, make sure to sync them before sending new time to QuickBooks. Otherwise, if some user or project isn't synced, you won't be able to send time for them to QuickBooks. If you'd like to learn more about Clockify, you can visit our website or check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.